Today we're going to learn how to autofill columns in a spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet I like to use is made by Microsoft Office, and it's Excel. And first what we're going to do is we're going to open a blank document in Excel. And as you can see across the top, left to right, are columns A, B, C, D, and so on. And going down the left-hand side of the page, you'll see numbers 1, 2, 3. Those are rows. So we're going to learn how to autofill columns, and this is useful when you have to number, say, large spreadsheets, 1 through whatever. I guess it doesn't have to be large, it could be even fairly small. Today we're going to autofill column A through 30, 1 through 30, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Fairly easy. And again, it's extremely useful if you have to number a larger spreadsheet, but even, a more tedious, smaller spreadsheet, it's a helpful tool to have. So we're going to go ahead and left click under column A, row 1. Go ahead and left click on that, and we're going to go ahead and type in 1. Hit your enter key, type in 2, hit enter. Then we're going to move our cursor up over 1, left click on that, drag down to 2. Go ahead and let go of that left click. As you can see, around 1 and 2, there's a black box that goes all the way around. It's a kind of like a bolded black box. In the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a little square right around this area. That's what we're going to click on to drag to autofill our column A. Right now, as you can see here, your cursor should be like a giant stuffed plus sign. We're going to move that cursor with our mouse. Go ahead and take your mouse, move that cursor over to that small square black box. And your plus sign, you'll notice that it changes from like overstuffed to a thin line plus sign. Left click on that square, hold in that left click. Again, hold in that left click. And we'll go ahead and start dragging that down column A till you get to row 30. Once you get to row 30, go ahead and let go of that left click. As you can see, it autofilled in order 1 through 30 on column A. And what's neat about the autofill option is that it can go in ascending or descending order, which means it can either go 1 through whatever, counting up, or it can take whatever number and count backwards. Again, we'll demonstrate the autofill option again, just to make sure everybody has the hang of it. Let's go to column C. Column C right here. Go ahead and left click on row 1, type in 30, hit enter, type in 29, hit enter. Okay, 30, 29, left click on 30, drag to 29, let it go. It's highlighted, again, the black box that goes around, and the little black square right there in the bottom right hand corner. Take our cursor with our mouse, move your mouse and the cursor to that black box. Again, the giant stuffed plus sign will now change to the thin line plus sign. Left click on that square, hold in that left click. It's essential that you hold in that left click and drag it down to row 30. Once you get to row 30, go ahead and let go of that left click. As you can see, it did it in descending order, 30 through 1. So again, a helpful tool, little handy tool, essentially with a couple clicks of your mouse and cursor, you can fill in number a document rather than having to type in each row separately.